and shall do so by close of business 31st January 2025. The respondents, on their part, shall file and serve their written submissions by close of business 18th February 2025. Submissions in rejoinder, if need be, shall be filed and served by 25th February 2025. Mention to confirm clients and to take further directions on 4th March 2025. Is it convenient, Mr. Tati? 4th of March?
Yes, my lord, that's convenient. That's convenient.
Mr. Tati,
Yes, my lord. It's convenient, my lord.
So mention to confirm compliance and to take further directions on 4th March 2025. So, Mr. Langat, you'll have to give me some time to load the directions on CTS for the purposes of service of the AG.
My lord, with your kind permission, I don't think you got me.
Yes.
I was saying it is not convenient for me. I'll be out of the country during that month.
Oh, sorry. I didn't hear you quite clearly. Propose a date?
Can we have some time in March? April,
I said
sorry.
4th of March. No, we're not taking this to April. We're not taking this to April. It's a mention to confirm compliance and to take further directions. The only directions we'll be issuing is if the AG is present and has filed responses, whether we subsume into the main petition. So you'll find someone to hold your brief. So 4th of March 2025.
My lord, we are much obliged. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Thank you to you too.
Thank you, my lord. Have a good day.
Isaac Nuchi Mareto Wasimbugeji.
Thank you. Who's in this matter? Who is in this matter? Isaac Kinoti Marete, Betty Makena Bundi, Jacob Mantili, Esther Mukre, Faith Kanana Gakula versus the Attorney General, represented by MKN Law Advocates LLP. Anyone in this matter?
Kinoti Marete is present, Your Honor. I don't know where my counsel is.
Thank you. Kinoti Marete, first petitioner in person. No appearance for the respondent, which is the AG. Mr. Marete, are you aware whether your lawyers served the Attorney General?
I wouldn't know, Your Honor. The last time we spoke, he was headed for Nairobi. He thought that the sitting will be physical.
Just a moment. So I've noted the directions issued by my brother, the Honorable Mr. Justice Mugambi, on the 27th of November 2024, discussing that the subject matter of this is similar to another